Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another tutorial for you guys. I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back. So today I'll be showing you guys this look that I have on today. Can we just talk about how beautiful this lip color is? Love. But without further ado, let's just get on to the tutorial. So I'm going to be starting off with my eyes, and today I'm going to be using this palette that I put together myself. The magnetic palette is from Shop Miss A. You can find this on their website. I think I paid about $6 or so for it. The shadows I have in here are from Coastal Scents, except for these three last ones over here. I did get it in an Ipsy bag. But Coastal Scents is really amazing. Their eyeshadows are great. For my eyeshadow base, I love using Essence eyeshadow base. I think it's like I Love Stage eyeshadow base or something like that. Anyway, I don't have it on hand right now, so I'm just going to be using my concealer. So I hardly even use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I find that when you have a nice light base on your eyes, the eyeshadows just pop a lot more. So I really like this shade, these two, to go into them as transition shades. And then if I want to deepen it up, I always go to this one. I will be giving you the names, and I'll put them on the screen here for you guys. But I will be dipping into those two for my transition shades. This is Paprika and this is Oatmeal Tan. So I dip into both of them, tap off the excess, and then I just go in and blend this all in here. That last brush I used to blend was the E330 by Mikasa. I do have an affiliate link. I'll leave it down below. I really do like this one and this one, E320. I do have some other brushes. If you'd like a review on them, let me know and I'll make another video for you guys. I feel like some of their brushes can be either hit or miss, and that's just me being truthful. I do have an affiliate link, like I said, but I'm gonna be real with you guys as to what kind of brushes I do like from them. But these two I really do like. They're not super soft, but I think they do a very good job for what they're intended. So anyway, I have the E320 brush from Mikasa. It's a little bit more flat, but I like to get this in, you know, press shadow into the crease. So I'm going to be grabbing that Oktoberfest shade, and I'm trying to outline my eyelid, basically. Now I'm going into that red color right here. I'm going to put that in the crease and I'm going to try to blend it out, and then I'm going to put another color on the lid. I'm going to do a cut crease. I have not done a cut crease in a long time, guys. And I've never been really good at them. So if this doesn't work out, I really apologize. So I don't buy eyeshadows like crazy, but I did end up getting quite a few of those Coastal Scent eyeshadows, and I enjoy them so much. Ooh, I really like that color. I'm gonna go in and blend a little bit with this E300 brush. So now that I'm done blending that all out, I'm using the Justique Mini Concealer Crayon. I believe I also got this in an Ipsy bag. It's just like a concealer in like a stick form, but I love the packaging, super cute. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of outline my eye. So I'm using this Wet n Wild brush. It's like a large concealer brush, I'm almost positive. And I saw this at Dollar Tree. And actually I'm looking at this and I think I will add a little bit of red because I feel like I blended it away. And what I'm doing is placing it right where I want it and then bringing it out this way. So now to blend this out, I'm going to use one of my, I think is a little bit more precise in my opinion, blending brush, and this is a blending brush from e.l.f. I have all of these shades, and now I'm trying to figure out what color I want to put on my lid. You know what, I haven't used this color in a long time. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really do like this, but I almost feel like it's very festive and fall-like. I'm gonna go into a lighter shade, maybe this one. I believe that's Caramelized. I'm gonna hope to God that this is a little bit lighter. It is Caramel Ice, and then I'm placing it all over my eyelid. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of the Oktoberfest that we used in the crease along with Vibrant Red. I love this lip shade. I think that it's super flattering on almost anybody. So that's it for my video today, guys. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I will be doing more videos. If there's something else you guys would like me to do a video on, let me know in the comments below. But for today, that is it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. I don't know if it was just me or that hand wave felt weird.